unbelievable moves now, my friend, from last days. And absolutely, my friends, I hope, my friend, if you watch this video, you never lost in a Theta Network, especially any crypto coin, my friend, because this video has gone very informative, my friend, from all of you, and also the latest update of Theta Network. So first of all, my friend, I gonna show you the latest update of Theta Network, and after this we predicate this. But first of all, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. Absolutely, you never lost in a crypto market if you follow this channel. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed this channel. First of all, if you can see, my friend, this time the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. This is the latest update. If you can see here, plus 2.6%, my friends, they moving upward. Definitely very good change occurred now, my friend, in the last 24-hour, and the price is 11.22 USD dollar, my friend. Very good change occurred now, my friend, in the last 24 hours, especially in the last 3 days, my friends. They moving upward very fastly, so it's good news, my friend, for all of you. All right, what's the prediction, my friend, of Theta Network? You can see, my friends, this time they completely moving upward. So if you can see here, if they cross the resistance line, they definitely, my friends, they're moving upward. This time you can see the resistance line is something here. So if you can see, my friends, the resistance line is like that. After this, my friend, you can see here, after this top point, my friends, they take a jump, so it's going to be profit. The 2%, they're moving upward from a resistance line, so it's mean, my friends, they are completely in the profit. All right, so what's the prediction of coming times? They moving upward or they falls down? So let's see, my friends, to upcoming times they move upward or they falls down. First of all, I draw a line 1, and second, I draw a line 2, my friend. You can see here, after a short fall, my friends, they take again very big jump, my friend, and after this jump they also falls down. So remember, to after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump. So it's time, my friends, for a good jump, my friend. I hope a good time is coming soon. Kindly, after this jump they take a very good jump, so hold it, don't sell it. I hope they give you very good profit at the end of this month. So Theta Network holder, hope you understand. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for this type more informative videos.